Hello treasures. If you have some roasted groundnut or peanut and banana at home, you need to try this yummy and quick banana and peanut smoothie. So yummy, so luscious, so delicious. So here I have some ripe bananas and roasted groundnut or peanut, and I decided to make smoothie with it with just few other ingredients. Into my blender, I added a cup of milk. I'm using soya milk, but you can use any milk of choice. I'm also using a cup of yogurt, but you can skip this. You can use either the milk or yogurt. Next, I'll peel and add the bananas into the blender. You can use as much bananas as you want or as less as you want. I used 5 bananas and the 1/3 cup of roasted groundnuts. To sweeten it, I used dates. This is 3 dates which I soaked to soften. But you can skip this if you're okay with the sweetness of the banana alone. And then I added some ice cubes to help it to be chilled because we are taking this immediately. Next, I'll blend this until very smooth. And here we have our sweet and delicious peanut and a banana smoothie. So quick to make and very, very yummy. Although I served it in 2 cups, but it came out 3 cups, so I transferred the remaining one into a container and to be stored in the freezer. That will be taken later. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.